ngapchu ngaku masu pochu semba kyosu rang yu shore lor ningla nasu
Ya sela le so sela la les to sela la patren chamgat doji chankin de tais durmuş çocukcandan orada dela pesun jogodos okay arnachamen taun la do da arnachamen taun
Pagi dia betul. Oh, par dia jana ya वाले.
Dele par jakos.
Oh, masla. ये सांगे कुछ जादू. और छोला है. टीचर ने बच्चों है. लज्जा सा यहाँ होता.
Dele par ya budu jisa.
Dia bacaan dia.
Kalawamboga
Tawang kalawambo siya deta. Nama namu tawang jarbo kalawambo siya din doa zamu ka.
shamga doji chang kenden tais darbaji chota tre men taun la chijan nongore da pesu ro shimbarda pesu arnaja
serve people with humility, and we must serve the betterment of this world, one earth. So that way, we are all same. So we must do good for all human beings and all living creatures. So that's the life we should live.
Very good.
Very high.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Perfect. Actually, the purpose of life is to live meaningfully.
And meaningful life means we are human beings. We have capacity better than so many other creatures. So use this capacity, develop upon it to make our life better, meaningful, others' life better, meaningful, and then plant the right seed for the next generation. So prepare this world for next generation, because world is changing. The old times things does not work efficiently today. So in this world, before industrial revolution, have to think of this like a rocket science. Very difficult. No, it's very simple. You just use common sense. Yes. So that is the effect of religion in students' life. And then third, to cultivate and prepare, to cultivate a proper motivation and how to face problems. These two are connected, definitely. That's why you ask these two questions together, put them together. How to face a problem? Okay. I'm not a pessimist. I'm not an optimist. I'm a realist. That's what I think. I don't know for sure. No assessment has done, but that's how I think I am, and I like to believe it is true. So from that point of view, then how to face a problem. The entire life, every single human being